Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a Summit White 2016 Chevrolet Cruze Limited, stock number A6944. As you can see, this is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in a 16-inch Firestone tire. Inside, there's a black cloth upholstery that's in fantastic condition. You've got seating for 2 in the front row, and there is seating for 3 in the second row, making this a 5-passenger Cruze. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. And then coming to the back, there is a backup camera here. You do also have keyless entry for the trunk. As you can see, it's very clean inside. That second row seating folds into a 60-40 split to give you some extra space when needed. And the reason that I'm showing you this Cruze today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments and carpeted floor mats. Stepping inside, you've got 8,423 miles. On the left of the steering wheel, there are cruise control buttons. On the right-hand side, you have audio controls. Coming to the driver's side mirror here, you can see this is equipped with OnStar. And then down to the center, there is a touchscreen display. This is where your backup camera will show. You've got capabilities for Sirius satellite radio. There is a CD player and AM/FM radio. Coming down underneath of that, you've got climate controls here. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. You've got a 1.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, which gets you a great 38 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this Cruze or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.